We are building the book order project. So today I am building the error handling middleware or function for handling specific HTTP response types in an Express.js application and the error handling function. So let's start. I will create src folder. If you see the project structure, we have the src. Inside the src there will be our project code, or the application code will be inside the src. Now, if I come to the explanation of this code snippet, here we have the created or JavaScript function which takes an object as its parameter. This object is intended to specify the status code and error message for creating the custom error object. If these properties are not explicitly provided when calling the function, then it will be defaulted to 500. The status will be 500 and the message will be defaulted to the something went wrong. Next, the uh, error object is created uh, with the error message obtained from the message property of the provided object. So it's assigning the status also, which is getting from this method, and returning the error. It's exporting the create error and also the status code uh, with the identifier where request unauthorized forbidden conflict, all the possible HTTP status codes. Next, I will create the middleware file inside the src directory. First, not our book error on art for them. Now, if I come to the explanation of this code snippet, here the exportable contains the several properties. Each of appears to be a function for handling specific HTTP response types in the Express.js application. Here, object.keys exportable is used to obtain an array of the keys property names in the exportable object. In this case, it will result in an array of string containing the names of the functions or the middleware property. Then the map function. These map functions is used to iterate over these keys and access the corresponding functions from the exportable object using these keys. The result is an array called all that contains reference to all the functions defined in the exportable object. This can be useful when you want to include these functions in the Express.js middleware. So we did same here. You can see we did here the Express.js middleware. Instead of this, we can also instead of this we can do also like this dot bat request dot catch all dot conflict, this kind of things. So by defining them in an object and creating an array like all, it becomes easier to iterate over and apply them uniformly, so which can help with code organization and maintainability. So that's all for this session. In the next session we will define the routes for the book order. Thank you.